Are you ready to hit the road in New York? Welcome to the ultimate guide to navigating the process of obtaining a New York driver's license. Now, we know it can seem a bit daunting at first, but we promise it's not as complex as it may appear. With a bit of patience and the right guidance, you'll be driving through the city that never sleeps in no time. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to obtain your New York driver's license. First things first, are you eligible to get a driver's license in New York? Let's dive right into the eligibility criteria. Firstly, you must be at least 16 years old. If you're under 18, however, you'll need to have a signed consent from your parent or guardian. Now let's talk about residency. You must be a resident of New York State to apply for a New York driver's license. You'll need to provide proof of residency, such as a utility bill or a lease agreement. There are also a few other prerequisites. For instance, you need to pass a vision test. If you wear glasses or contact lenses, bring them with you for the test. You must also complete a pre-licensing course, which includes a minimum of 5 hours of classroom instruction. Remember, these are just the prerequisites. Once you meet these criteria, you're ready for the next step. Step 1 in your journey is to get your learner's permit. Now, you might be asking, how do I do that? Well, it's a two-part process. Firstly, you'll need to pass a written test that covers the rules of the road, safe driving techniques, and road signs. The New York Driver's Manual is your best study buddy for this test, so make sure to give it a good read. After you've aced the written test, it's time for the vision exam. This is to ensure you meet the minimum vision requirements to drive safely. You don't need perfect vision, but it should be good enough to spot potential hazards on the road. Remember, the goal here is not just to pass these tests, but to really understand and internalize the rules of the road. Because when you're behind the wheel, that knowledge can make all the difference. With your learner's permit in hand, you're one step closer to your driver's license. Now that you have your learner's permit, it's time to get behind the wheel. In the great state of New York, the Department of Motor Vehicles requires you to complete 50 hours of supervised driving practice, with at least 15 of those hours taking place after sunset. This broad range of experience helps to ensure that you're ready for anything the road can throw at you. But it's not just about clocking hours. It's about developing safe and effective driving habits. It's about learning to anticipate potential hazards, to respond appropriately to different traffic conditions, and to respect the rules of the road. So make each hour count. Seek advice and feedback from your supervisor, whether it's a driving instructor or a trusted adult with a valid license. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you drive, the better prepared you'll be for the road test. You've put in the hours, and now it's time for the final step, the road test. This is where all your hard work and practice comes to fruition. You've studied the rules, practiced your maneuvers, and now you must show your skills to a licensed examiner from the New York State Department of Motor Vehicles. First things first, scheduling the road test. You can easily do this online or over the phone. Choose a date and time that works best for you, and make sure you're fully prepared. This is not a step to take lightly. The road test covers a wide range of driving situations, including city and highway driving, parallel parking, and three-point turns. You'll need to demonstrate your understanding of traffic signs, signals, and road markings. It's not just about driving, it's about driving safely and responsibly. Here are a few tips for success. Practice, practice, practice. The more you drive, the more comfortable you'll become. Also, having a positive mindset can go a long way. Believe in your ability to drive safely and confidently. Once you've passed your road test, you're almost there. You'll need to pay a fee, and then your driver's license will be mailed to you. It's an exciting moment, opening that envelope and seeing your name on a New York driver's license. Congratulations, you're now a licensed driver in New York. You've earned it, and now the open road awaits you. Always remember to drive safely and enjoy the journey.